Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. This is my 1988 Mustang GT, aka the Red Demon. We're doing a 7665 turbo build on a little stock 302. We're going to see what she does, guys, once we get her all back together. But today, my plan is to get the throttle body off of the old intake, because I need the studs to be able to put in the GT40 intake that we're going to be running. As you can see, it don't have the studs for the throttle body, so I want to try to get those over there out and get them in here. So fingers crossed, hopefully we can get those out. I had to strip the paint off of the AC bracket and repaint it right now. I got it sitting up here drying, and I got the, let's see, we got the new thermostat housing right here. I got the bolts painted for it. They're sitting out here in the sun baking. We'll walk out here and check on them, see if they're about ready. But yeah, I was supposed to go riding 4-wheels today, but it didn't turn out that way. But yeah, as you see, we got the bolts already painted using that VHT flat aluminum paint on it, just like we did the intake and everything else. So got them painted and baking, and we need to get this package opened up and let you guys see what we got in the package. They actually come today, so they got here a little bit quicker than what I actually thought they would, but we're going to be needing that. But that's what the plan is today, guys, is to get the studs out of the old intake, because most definitely going to be needing them, and also get the PVC screen, all that stuff out, everything that we actually need off of this intake to put onto the new intake. I've already took all the sensors and stuff out, as you see here, and got those installed. But beautiful day today, guys. Family's out there in the yard playing. The wife is out here washing the car. We're getting stuff did. So that's what the plan is today, guys, is we're going to try to get throttle body off, studs out, and kind of play it by ear. I actually have new throttle body gaskets. I bought a kit. I think it actually wasn't expensive. I think like $5 some change. And oh yeah, I do have a new thermostat. And the one that I got was the Duralast Gold. Went ahead and got a 160. I was running a 180, but I figured with this turbo, probably best to get it cool as possible. Yeah, this one's a 160, guys. So we got a brand new thermostat for the thermostat housing and all that good stuff. So let's get set up and get the throttle body off of the intake. All right, let's see if we can get this thing off of him. Hoping I can get these studs out, man.
Perfect.
There, got it off, guys. Been on there so long. Set that to the side. Alright, guys, I soaked it down with some PB Blaster. So we'll see if they come out, man. I don't know if they're gonna come out or not, because these things are pretty rusted. Really need some new ones, especially that nut there, man. This one here is already trying to come out, which is good. guys, got them out. They're not the prettiest in the world, but we're going to clean them up and reuse them. Alright guys, as you seen, got the bolts out. I got them all cleaned up the best I possibly can with a wire brush. I got two of them that look really good. Well, you know, for being 30 something years old, these two. But these two right here, as you can see in this area right here where the threads is, man, you know, that's worked pretty good, but we're going to reuse them. They was fine before. I knew they were like that. But what I'll do is I'll take and put a little bit of anti-seize on this end before I actually put it in the intake. But I'm glad I got those out. So we got those out. It's probably about all I'm going to do today because of I got some stuff painted and drying, and I'm trying to think what I can possibly do today. I'm just trying to do little tedious things is what I'm actually trying to take care of today. But we are going to open this package up real quick, so give me a second. Alright, I ordered this package last week, I believe it was, last Sunday, I think. And of course, this is stuff we're going to be needing for the car. And they actually got here pretty quick. I didn't think they was going to get here quite this quick. I was kind of scared it was going to be coming somewhere from China or something like that. But we got it from our typical place, eBay. And this is supposed to be a kit. Got all that in that bag, man. It's crazy. And the mail lady ended up getting all this shoved in my mailbox. Alright. I kind of hate to touch this stuff with my dirty hands, so give me a sec. Let me wipe my hands off here best I can. Alright, this is G+. So we got a card. Got a pack of clamps. So I guess by now you know what we got. So we got a pack of clamps right there. And this is a set of silicone hoses. So we should typically have everything we need in this pack, this kit right here, to do the upper lower radiator hose, the heater core hose, and the hoses that go from the water pump to the thermostat to the heater tube. So right there's two of them. I can't remember the actual PSI on these. I know it was up there pretty good. The temperature, excuse me, the temperature and the PSI was actually up there pretty good on these. And I think I give 46 bucks free shipping. There was some more on there a little bit cheaper, but the seller's feedback rate wasn't all that great. So, you know, a lot of times when I purchase something, guys, I always look at the feedback rate, man. If I had to pay a couple of dollars more just because of the feedback rate, and that's what I'm going to do, man. But there goes another hose. And this right here should be a heater hose right there. Like I say, I'm hoping this is the right kit. As you've seen, I just opened it, so I have no idea. But I'm hoping this is the correct kit. And right here goes another hose. And that looks like that might be the, it should be the upper radiator hose. I'm assuming. I'm not sure. But we got them. And here goes the last hose. Like I said, as you can see in there, man, the soft silicone hoses. Performance Parts G+. I really didn't give a crap what the name brand was. As long as they're the right ones, that's all that matters to me. But these are silicone hoses. And like I said, we got those for 46 bucks, man. So now we should have all the hoses that we need. And like I said, I hope they're the correct hoses. I don't know. So I'm hoping we just didn't spend $46 on a set of hoses that we're not going to be able to use. But we got our hoses. and got those studs out. That's what I was wanting to get done today, get these studs out and get the throttle body. I'll show you guys the throttle body. My wife bought me this throttle body a long time ago for Christmas, I believe it was. But this is, of course, the professional products, 70 millimeter. So what I'll do now that I got it off camera, of course, is go ahead and get everything cleaned up and get it ready to bolt onto the new intake. I need to actually get some brake cleaner and all that good stuff and clean down inside here. I know it's hard for you guys to see inside there, but there's a lot of carbon and stuff. As you can see on my finger there, build up from the EGR. We do have an EGR delete. Right here it is. So I already have an EGR delete. I think I give $4.99 for this. Comes with a gasket and the plate. Level 0 Motorsports. It was on eBay. But go check out Foxbody Mike's YouTube channel, guys. He actually made one himself, and you know, in all honesty, that's all you need to do. So go check out his video where he did his EGR delete homemade version, which will work perfectly fine, man. All you got to do is probably just go to the parts house and get you a gasket. If not, you can use RTV. So, but yeah, go check out his YouTube channel, guys. Foxbody Mike. He's got a good video on making one of them yourself. And we are, of course, going to run this throttle body, 70 millimeter. Now that is a brand new TPS sensor actually put on there before I actually started this build. So hopefully it's still good. Should be. I know when I twisted this thing earlier, I can hear it cracking and popping in there. So hopefully it didn't screw it up. But if it did, we'll just have to get another one. And I think we'll probably want to go ahead and get a new air auto control while we're at it. I got quite a few of these laying around, but we'll keep an eye out, like for LMR or somewhere like that. Might have them on sale, from, you know, promotional code or something like that, and we'll get one. But we got the throttle body off, guys. We got the stud out of the intake. Really, the only thing left to get off of this intake is the PVC screen. Just pop it out and pop it in the new one. Or I'll probably, more likely, I'll probably just get a new one, to be honest with you. I think you can get those things on Rock Auto pretty cheap, eBay. I'll just look around, like, you know, do like what I always do, man, just shop around. So, that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you keep watching the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bell so when I upload the next video, man, you'll be notified. And hopefully in the next video we'll actually get to put some parts on the Red Demon. Right now, like I said, I just got some stuff painted, dried, as usual. But we did get those studs out. And when I get ready to put these into the new intake, of course, I am going to use some anti-seize on them, so I won't have to worry about having that issue anymore. So, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep an eye out for the next one, man. We'll be getting some parts put on the Red Demon. We'll have to sit here and think about if I do need to order anything else. If I do, then I'll try to get that stuff ordered this week. But as of right now, we should have just about everything we need to go on to the next process. And like I said, I still got a few things I need to actually pull off the car and actually paint. And I don't want to bore you guys on none of that stuff. So that's probably what I'm going to do the rest of the day, is get all this other stuff done. A little tedious stuff, I guess you'd say. That way when you guys check back in next time, we'll be putting parts on the car. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.